This is the Luxe Makeup Brush Cleaner, and it's perfect for cleaning your makeup brushes. If you don't clean your brushes regularly, they accumulate oil, dirt, grime, and bacteria too. And if you put that on your face, then you may be prone to breakouts too. Thank you, Luxe Beauty Products, for sending this to me for evaluation purposes and to give my opinion. This system is wonderful. It includes this docking station for you to put your spinner on, as well as these holders for your makeup brushes. It also includes this bowl, as well as this makeup cleaner. It also includes this AC charging cable, so all you need is an AC adapter and you're good to go. Let me show you how it works. Upon first use, make sure you charge it in the back of the device, and then plug it into a USB port. They give you this non-breakable bowl, and you're going to only put about 4 milliliters of antibacterial soap or baby shampoo. I've already put some in, and as you can see, a little goes a long way. After you put the soap in, you're going to put in a little bit of warm water. Not too much. That should be about right. You want to make sure that there's enough water to cover the brush bristles, but you don't have to go too much that it goes to the metal portion of your brush head. There's 8 different brush colors, and you're going to find the one that fits your brush the most closest. Like this. As you can see, the tip has a plus sign shape, and so does the bottom of these collars. Then you just stick this into the unit. Now let me show you how it works. There's 3 different settings. This is low, medium, high, and then you turn it off. Now let's see it in action. The first thing you're going to do is dip the makeup brush just into the water with this solution. Then, after we dunk it a couple times, then we're going to start it off at the lowest setting. And you can go higher until you feel that your brush is clean enough. Now let's start. So first thing we're doing is just dunking it. And now we're going to push the first button. And you can go higher too. Now let's do a full strength. I can tell it's working already. Now to dry the brush, you just pull it out of the water and let it dry for a little bit without taking it all the way out. It looks good. Now we're going to stop it and test it out. Very nice. And then you can just put it back into shape. And if you feel like it needs to be dried a little bit more, you can just put it back in, but not all the way into the water, and just start the drying process again. Much better. And now all you have to do is take this off, and then you can just stick this back in for it to dry. Simple as that. Now let's do the next one. Let's use this brush, pick one that fits the best, which would be this. Then we're going to put it onto this unit for a nice snug fit. Then we're going to dip this into the water. And then we're going to dunk it a couple times and then start it again. Once you feel that it's clean enough, you just pull it out and let it dry on its own. Okay, now I'm going to turn it off and we're going to check. Oh, wow. It already dried it off very nicely. Look how clean that became. And the nice thing is you can just put it over here and let that dry as well. Wow, look how dirty this water is. All this was on the makeup brushes and then we were transferring it to our face. So now let me dump this out and let's do another one again. I just filled up the container again with some antibacterial soap as well as some warm water again too. They also provide this cleaning solution which is for non-water soluble makeup. But since all my makeup that I've been using is water soluble, we're not going to be using this today. So now we're going to find a collar to fit this makeup brush. This one fits perfectly. Then we're going to get this X and put it on the tip of this as such. And then we're going to put this into the machine. So we're going to dunk this in a couple times, and then we're going to start it. It's really working good. And you don't have to do it for too long, just a few seconds. Once you feel like it's clean enough, you just pull it out a little bit so you can air dry into the bowl. And as you can see, it's nice and clean, and you just close it back up, you just reshape it, and then you take it off and you put it here for it to dry all on its own. Then when you're done, you just push it back into the unit and let it charge for next time. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.